I'm Nadia Anguiano, Associate Clinical Professor of Law and the Director of the Federal Immigration Litigation Clinic. My expertise is in federal court litigation to defend and advance the rights of non-citizens in the United States. And the litigation that I pursue is at a complex intersection of several legal doctrines: administrative law, constitutional law, family law, criminal law, you name it. I would say I'm an accidental litigator. I came to law school with the firm intent of practicing immigration law and doing meaningful work on behalf of non-citizens. But I had a huge misconception about what litigators do. I thought that they had to be big personalities, extroverts in the courtroom. And it was my participation in a clinic actually that helped me discover my both love for litigation and aptitude for it. Broadly speaking, the clinic that I direct engages law students in complex litigation on behalf of non-citizens. And I really pride myself in that in my clinic, we really put students at the driver's seat of litigation. And we also espouse what I call a no stones left unturned approach, in which students are really at the helm of their client's story, of their client's case. Students learn doctrine in clinics and learn what the law is, how to grapple with it, how to use it creatively ultimately for a client's case, and then not just that, but to think really deeply about how the law should be, and then again come up with creative arguments to advance the law in favorable ways for people. My biggest piece of advice to anyone in law school is to accept that you are going to feel times of intense stress. And my then advice on top of that is that in those moments, I encourage you to always go back to your values, remember why you came to law school, and when you feel, again, those maybe million things coming at you, center yourself by remembering what kind of lawyer you want to be, what kind of person you want to be, and that in the end, those stressful experiences will be over and you will be left with that value-driven work that you came to law school to do. I am a rock climber and a mountaineer. I love to be outside and in particular spend time in Washington State and climb mountains there. Last year I climbed Mount Rainier, and actually just a few weeks ago I came back from climbing Mount Baker. I do a morning exercise every day in which I ask myself, what would it feel like to be done for the day? And so I write my list of things that I want to accomplish, but then anything beyond that, I'm gonna let it go for tomorrow and really just close the book at the end of the day and go home to my friends and family.